Police, we were dispatched to a vehicle accident of a truck and a train that collided here at the intersection. Currently nobody's going to the hospital. It does